Hey folks, we're still tracking this blob in the western Gulf. Obviously today the rain all concentrated itself offshore. The fire hose was kind of just east of the valley and will continue to be as it feeds moisture up into the coastal bend in southeast Texas. But over the top of us, one little band of showers came along the coast, more than an inch of rain at the Cameron County Airport in Port Isabel. On the island, some good rain. Some beautiful video from the island this afternoon, though, showing blue skies at least for a time. And then another little batch of rain going over this evening. But for the most part, it's relatively quiet across the valley tonight. Here's your latest First Warn 5 Doppler network. It does show those last couple of showers right on the coast. Go this way, you can see it better. Brief, but move through nonetheless. But the rest of the valley all quiet as we speak. The tropical system now just an X. Nothing more than that. It's just a trough of low pressure sitting just to the southeast of the valley with a near 0% chance of developing over the next 2 to 5 days. So development is not going to happen. But even with that, whatever's left of this will slowly push off to the north and west. And again, as is somewhat typical with a system like this, that fire hose stays on the east side. It pulls the moisture from the Bay of Campeche up and into East Texas. We're on the drier side of that. Still, I think there'll be scattered showers around the valley. There's a tremendous amount of moisture overhead. What we call the precipitable water numbers are really high. That means there's a lot of available moisture. So we get a little sun, that'll get things going, and scattered thunderstorms possible. The most likely place for rain will be near the coast, but I think anybody could pick up a quick shower thunderstorm tomorrow because it's still tropical in nature. It could be heavy, but we're talking isolated, not widespread. By Thursday, the lows all the way over Houston, all the rains on the east side of that, we dry out. When we dry out, we're talking big time. I think it is hot and dry for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Some of the models do hint at a brief shower late Thursday night. You'll see that here. Here's tomorrow. Spotty stuff, nothing more than that, especially near the coast. Maybe something late in the day, and then most of Thursday is dry, but wait for it. Right at the end of the model run, we're seeing some indications of maybe a shower thunderstorm coming into the far western part of the valley late Thursday night and early Friday. Again, that's kind of the outlier in the models, but we have to watch for that still, see how it works out. Potential rain through tomorrow, late tomorrow night. In isolated locations could pick up an inch or two, but most places dry. That 50% coastal is the key word there. A lot of the valley will see spotty stuff, but the coast, I think, much more likely to see rain than after that we're dry. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now, 80s. Port Isabel, I think the thermometer's out of whack there. It was showing 100 earlier today. Something's gone with that one. So tonight we end up in the 90s, or tomorrow rather, we end up in the 90s. Here's the other story. Tomorrow's warm, Thursday's hot, Friday's crazy hot. 103 on Friday. And that'll be a record. And Saturday looks about the same. So we're going to warm up behind this. So your First Warn 5 accurate with the forecast for tonight. Scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies, widely scattered. I mean, not going to be a lot out there. Then tomorrow, coastal showers. That's where the best chance will be right along the coast. Hot and humid inland. Still could be an isolated thunderstorm inland as well, but most of the activity like today will be concentrated at the coast. We warm up to 103 on both Friday and Saturday. We do stair step back down by early next week, but certainly some of the warmest weather in a while for the beginning of the weekend for Friday and Saturday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Erica with a look at sports and maybe some breakfast food. I don't know what you're going to have tonight.